The elderly should not be given smartphones. Before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. Me no not gonna beat me for the one here, but it's my personal belief that elders of a certain age and mental capacity should not be using smartphones. Let me break it down. If you realize that your mother or father of a certain age, because some parents are relatively young, but if you realize you have parents or grandparents and they have a certain mental capacity where technology does not make sense to them, they can't make heads nor tail of it, you should not be giving them a smartphone, because a smartphone or smart devices will be a detriment to them more than anything else. It will be a detriment to them more than anything else, because they are incapable of understanding what is going on. They're going to make mistakes. They're going to be calling persons. They're going to be believing any and every scam that they see on the internet. AI is going to take them for a spin. Yep.